Picture window installation in Little Rock, Arkansas, offers homeowners a stunning way to enhance their views and increase natural light. With custom window designs available, residents can choose from a variety of styles to suit their home's aesthetic. Picture window installation Little Rock, Arkansas is a popular choice for those looking to make a bold statement with their home's exterior. Picture windows Little Rock are especially favored for showcasing scenic views and modernizing the overall look. Energy-efficient windows in Little Rock are essential for reducing energy costs and improving home comfort. These windows are designed to minimize heat transfer, keeping homes cooler in the summer and warmer in the winter. Energy-efficient windows Little Rock are a smart investment for any homeowner looking to save on utility bills. Many energy-conscious homeowners pair these with picture windows Little Rock to maximize natural light while maintaining insulation. Custom window designs in Little Rock, Arkansas, allow homeowners to express their personal style while improving their home's functionality. From unique shapes to specialized glass options, custom window designs Little Rock, Arkansas provide endless possibilities for creativity and innovation. Integrating picture windows Little Rock into your custom design offers a clean, expansive look that enhances both form and function. Window replacement services in Little Rock are crucial for maintaining the integrity and appearance of your home. Whether you need to replace old, drafty windows or upgrade to more modern styles, window replacement services Little Rock ensure a seamless transition and improved home value. Upgrading to picture windows Little Rock during the replacement process can dramatically improve curb appeal and lighting. Residential window solutions in Little Rock, Arkansas, cater to the diverse needs of homeowners, offering everything from window installation to complete installations. Residential window solutions Little Rock, Arkansas provide comprehensive services to enhance both the look and efficiency of your home. Adding picture windows Little Rock as part of your residential upgrade can elevate your living space with expansive views. Window installation services in Little Rock are essential for addressing issues such as broken glass, damaged frames, and faulty hardware. With professional window installation Little Rock, homeowners can restore their windows to optimal condition without the need for full replacements. Often, damaged or outdated windows are replaced with picture windows Little Rock for a modern and functional solution. Home window upgrades in Little Rock, Arkansas, offer a variety of options to improve both the aesthetic and energy efficiency of your home. From double-pane windows to advanced window sealing solutions, home window upgrades Little Rock, Arkansas provide significant benefits. Many homeowners choose picture windows Little Rock as part of their upgrade to boost natural light and visual appeal. Double-pane windows in Little Rock are a popular choice for their superior insulation properties. These windows help reduce noise and improve energy efficiency, making them an ideal option for any home. Double-pane windows Little Rock are a wise investment for long-term savings, especially when paired with picture windows Little Rock to balance beauty and performance. Window glass options in Little Rock, Arkansas, range from standard clear glass to specialized coatings for UV protection and noise reduction. Homeowners can choose the best window glass options Little Rock, Arkansas to meet their specific needs and preferences. Many opt for custom glass in their picture windows Little Rock to enhance energy efficiency and comfort. Window frame materials in Little Rock offer a variety of choices, including wood, vinyl, and aluminum. Each material has its own benefits, from durability to aesthetic appeal. Window frame materials Little Rock provide options to suit any home style and budget. These materials are often customized for picture windows Little Rock, allowing for both style and structural support. Window Style Consultation in Little Rock, Arkansas, helps homeowners select the perfect window designs for their home. With expert advice on the latest trends and materials, Window Style Consultation Little Rock, Arkansas ensures a cohesive and stylish look. During consultations, many clients are drawn to picture windows Little Rock for their elegant, panoramic appeal. Window maintenance services in Little Rock are essential for prolonging the life of your windows and maintaining their appearance. Regular cleaning and inspections are part of comprehensive window maintenance services Little Rock, ensuring your windows remain in top condition. Proper maintenance is particularly important for picture windows Little Rock, which feature large glass panes that require regular care. For top-notch window replacement services in Little Rock, Arkansas, look no further. Our residential window solutions in Little Rock, Arkansas offer a wide range of options, including energy-efficient windows and custom window designs. Whether you need picture window installation Little Rock, Arkansas or double-pane windows Little Rock, our expert window contractor Little Rock, Arkansas is here to help. We specialize in window installation services in Little Rock and provide comprehensive home window upgrades Little Rock, Arkansas to enhance your home's aesthetic and energy efficiency. Discover the transformative effect of picture windows Little Rock in your space. Explore our window style consultation Little Rock, Arkansas to discover the latest window design trends Little Rock. Our window frame materials Little Rock are available in various styles and finishes to match your home's decor. With our window glass options Little Rock, Arkansas, you can choose from a variety of window UV protection Little Rock and window noise reduction Little Rock, Arkansas features. Our window insulation services Little Rock ensure your home stays comfortable year-round. We highly recommend incorporating picture windows Little Rock to create a light-filled, modern living environment. Our window maintenance services Little Rock include window cleaning services Little Rock and window sealing solutions Little Rock, Arkansas to keep your windows in pristine condition. We also offer window tinting services Little Rock, Arkansas and window screen installation Little Rock for added privacy and protection. Our window hardware options Little Rock, Arkansas provide the perfect finishing touch to your custom window designs Little Rock, Arkansas. Enhance your home's elegance and functionality with stunning picture windows Little Rock. For those concerned about security, our window security features Little Rock, Arkansas and window weatherproofing Little Rock options provide peace of mind. We understand that window installation cost Little Rock, Arkansas as a consideration, and we offer competitive pricing without compromising on quality. Trust our window contractor services Little Rock, Arkansas for all your window needs, from window installation Little Rock to new installations. Our selection of picture windows Little Rock offers the perfect combination of style, safety, and value. Choose our window tinting Little Rock services for enhanced privacy and reduced glare. Our window insulation services Little Rock improve energy efficiency, while our window noise reduction Little Rock, Arkansas solutions create a quieter home environment. With our window UV protection Little Rock, your interiors are shielded from harmful rays. Our window installation cost Little Rock, Arkansas is transparent, ensuring no hidden fees. Contact us today for a window-style consultation Little Rock, Arkansas, and transform your home with our expert window solutions, including elegant picture windows Little Rock.